Hi, hello, welcome to Ramaya online classes. So today syllabus analysis, CTET, Central Eligibility Test, CTET and TS AP TET, CTET and Telangana and AP TET syllabus analysis. So common syllabus, CTET and next Telangana and AP TET is. First one syllabus TS TET and AP TET. In science TS TET and AP TET both syllabus are same. And syllabus first one animal world, first unit animal world. Next second one plant world. Next third one microorganisms, and next fourth one food or nutrition. So 4 units: animal world, plant world, microorganisms and food or nutrition. So this animal world, a living organism. So animal world or in living organism, so subtopics are digestive system, next respiration, next circulation, next excretion or excretory system, and next chemical coordination, next reproduction, next sense organs, right, and skeleton system. So skeleton system. So again in plant world, so plants and primary parts. So in plants and primary parts like so second roots, stem, leaf, flowers, root, stem, leaf, flowers, and alkaloids. Next phytohormones. So alkaloids, phytohormones, and next microorganism. This microorganism, so microorganisms are two types: useful microorganism, and harmful microorganism. Next fourth unit food and nutrition, food or nutrition. So in CTET, so commonly first paper, so it is called as food. Next in second paper, so maths and science second paper, so topic that is called nutrition. So both are same, but in this nutrition, so nutrients are two types. First one so macronutrients and micronutrients, and micronutrients, and next one last unit cell, or it is called so cell biology, So TS and AP TET. So paper 1 and paper 2, first paper and second paper, so common syllabus. So this is a digestive system, respiratory system, circulation, excretory system, chemical coordination, reproduction, sense organs, and next in plant world, so photosynthesis, next so phytohormones, next photosynthesis, and transpiration, next primary parts like root, stem, leaf, flower, alkaloids, PS, photosynthesis, and transpiration process, this is second unit, and third unit. In this next third unit, so microorganisms, third one microorganisms. So microorganisms, useful microorganism and harmful microorganisms. For example, useful microorganisms, example lactobacillus bacteria, but harmful microorganisms are causes diseases, diseases. Like the study of diseases is called pathology. So like bacterial disease, viral disease, protozoa, fungus, etc., etc. And so in the CTET, so syllabus analysis, so common syllabus both AP and Telangana TET science common syllabus, but in CTET paper 1 and so paper 2, paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1 and first paper and second paper, in first paper mention the syllabus EVS, in CTET to mention the syllabus so EVS, environmental studies. Like in this environmental studies, so syllabus, so in this environmental studies, first one social and science, social and science. So both EVS. Again in this science, in CTET, so mention EVS syllabus. In science, so physical science, so physical science and biological science, physical science and biological science. So this biological science, some important syllabus is in CTET mention only food, like that is called nutrition, food, that is nutrition, and living organism, the world living organism. In second paper, to mention the syllabus is in CTET, in second paper to mention the syllabus is, so first one the world of living organism, so living organism and nutrition, living organism and nutrition. So clearly, so first one CTET, so first one paper 1, so syllabus the EVS part, EVS part means environmental studies, So in this EVS part, so EVS part in this science, in science physical science and biological science. Now I am writing biological science only. So biological science, in this biological science, EVS part biological science, so common syllabus food, shelter, and so water. So in this food and shelter, in this food subtopic, that is food subtopics, micronutrients like carbohydrates, protein, and fats, vitamin, minerals, and next CTET, so second paper, in CTET second paper, so living organism, that is called animal world, and next plant world, and next one nutrition, and next one cell biology. So 4 units. So again in animal world, subtopics digestive system, respiration, circulation, excretory system. So these are total animal world. In plant world, so both systems are present in animal world, plant world, root, stem, leaf, flower, PS, photosynthesis, transpiration, so roots and stem, leaf, flower, photosynthesis, and transpiration, and next microorganisms. So this is a CTET paper 1 and a paper 2. So in paper 1, so common syllabus nutrition. In paper 2 to mention the nutrition topic, but in paper 1 to mention that is food, right. And AP and Telangana. So AP and Telangana same syllabus, TET, so AP, TS and the AP TET, science, biology, science, so biology. So biology syllabus same in first unit. In first unit that is called animal world. Animal world. So in this animal world topics like digestive system. In animal world, so topics like so this is digestive system, respiration, circulation system, next excretory system, chemical coordination, reproduction, sense organ, and a skeleton system. So paper 2, this is so TS and AP paper 2 syllabus. Second paper syllabus, first paper syllabus. So in first paper syllabus same topics but lower classes. So lower classes like up to 8th class. For example, in lower classes topic respiration. In lower classes topic respiration. So respiration lower classes so question formation is so respiratory organ in earthworm. So question formation in lower classes so paper 1, TET paper 1. For example, respiratory organ in earthworm. Option A skin, option B trachea, option C lungs, option D skin and lungs. So this is a paper 1 so example question earthworm. But second paper, so second paper so same question but same topic respiratory system. So levels up to intermediate standard, same topic. So paper 1, paper 2. So TS and AP TET paper 1 standard, so up to 8th class. So second paper standard is so up to intermediate. Right. CTET. So CTET paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1 and paper 2 CTET so common syllabus EVS syllabus. In this EVS syllabus about science and social studies. In science so this is a topic carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, and so lower classes low level syllabus. But paper 2 so animal world again subtopics is there. Next plant world like living organism. So this is called so living organism. Total digestion and next respiration, circulation, excretory system, chemical coordination. So both present in animal world, but in plant world so primary parts in plants. So primary parts in plants like roots and root system, types of root system, fibrous root system, and so taproot system, root modification, stem modification, leaf modification. In last CTET previous question paper so question from leaf. So example insectivorous or it is called carnivorous. So CTET paper 1 and paper 2. So again nutrition, micronutrients and macronutrients. Micronutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fats. Same. Next micronutrients vitamin and minerals. Next cell biology. In this cell biology, cell organelles. So what is the function of cell organelles? Types of cell organelles. Next microorganisms. These microorganisms bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungus. So these are called microorganisms. Harmful microorganisms and useful microorganisms. Right. Now first one in animal world in animal world, so digestive system. So digestive system, so system means group of organs is called system. Group of organs is called a system. So what is the function of digestive system? So what is the function of digestive system? Through digestive system, the complete food material is digestion is occur. Complete food material is digestion is occur, and respiration. So through respiratory system, through respiration process to release energy, to release energy. Next, circulation, like a blood circulatory system. So blood circulatory system, through blood circulatory system to pass energy each and every one cells. Through excretory system to release a fecal matter or waste material. Fecal matter or waste material. So what is the function of chemical coordination? In this chemical coordination, both nervous system and endocrine systems are present. Both nervous system and endocrine system is present. So reproduction. So types of reproduction, like asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, again sexual reproduction, male and female reproductive system. Next, sense organs. So total sense organs 5. In skeleton system, in the skeleton system, so how many bones are present in human body? Smallest bone, largest bone, and so muscle joints. Muscle joints. In this digestive system, food material, like food material, carbohydrate, protein, fats, and so digestive system parts like mouth, buccal cavity, and esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Last previous question in CTET, so largest gland. So question is largest gland, and next question, second question, diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus, both so largest gland and diabetes mellitus. These questions from a digestive system only. Digestive system. So largest gland is liver. The largest organ in human body, skin. Largest gland, liver. Largest organ, skin. Second largest organ, liver. Next, in respiration process, so respiratory system, and so types of respiration, respiratory organ. For example, in earthworm, respiratory organ is skin. Next, in fishes, respiratory organ, gills. And next, human respiratory system. In human respiratory system, in human body, respiratory organ, lungs. Respiratory organ, lungs. Types of so respiration, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, and ATP. So in blood circulatory system, in this blood circulatory system consists of 3 parts. Blood circulatory system consists of 3 parts. First one, so heart, blood vessels, blood. Heart, blood vessels, and blood. So heart chambers, human heart. Next, blood vessels, types of blood vessels. Next, blood cells. Like blood cells, like it is classified into 3 types. First one, RBC, WBC, platelets, or it is called as thrombocytes. RBC, or it is called erythrocytes. WBC, or it is called leukocytes. And next, platelets, or it is called thrombocytes. And next, blood groups. So this total in the blood circulatory system. Excretory system, this excretion process, excretory system, excretory organ. So excretory organ in human body, so kidney. Excretion means elimination of waste material from our body. Elimination of waste material from our body. So excretory organ, kidney, skin, lungs. Next, so kidney stones and the process dialysis. Chemical coordination, next topic, in chemical coordination like so endocrine system and nervous system, both present in chemical coordination. In endocrine system, so glands are two types, endocrine glands, second one exocrine glands. So endocrine and exocrine glands, endocrine or it is called a ductless gland. Endocrine or it is called ductless gland, exocrine or it is called a duct gland. Hormones released from endocrine glands only. Hormones released from endocrine glands, enzymes released from exocrine gland. Right. So now in this chemical coordination only endocrine glands. That endocrine glands are example pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, next adrenal gland, gonads. So total so endocrine glands present in chemical coordination topic. And in nervous system three types, central nervous system. So in chemical coordination so first one endocrine glands. So endocrine glands, next so nervous system. So nervous system is three types. First one central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomous nervous system. This central nervous system it is called as brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord, that is called so central nervous system. So what is the function of brain and the spinal cord? Next, largest part in brain and outer layer of brain is called, so outer layer of brain is called meninges. Outer layer of brain is called meninges. Outer layer of lungs, so outer layer of lungs, that is called pleura. Outer layer of heart, that is called pericardium. Outer layer of heart is called pericardium. And this pericardium, peri means around, cardium, cardiology. Cardiology means study of heart. So outer layer of brain, that is called meninges. Nervous system three types, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomous nervous system. Next so topic
reproduction. In this reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So again so example asexual reproduction, example budding. So example hydra. But sexual reproduction, the sexual reproduction, it is two types, male reproductive system, female reproductive system. And hormones, for example hormone testosterone. Hormone testosterone released from male or female reproductive system. Male or female reproductive system, right? Hormone testosterone, testes. So testes are present in only male reproductive system. So one pair of testes are present in male reproductive system. So hormone testosterone released from male or female, male reproductive system. And chromosomes. So chromosomes like XX chromosome, XY chromosome. So XX chromosome present in male or female? XX chromosome, XY chromosome. XX chromosome, so male or female, XY chromosome present in male or female, XX chromosome present in female, XY chromosome, so XY chromosome present in male, but sex determination or sex selection, that may be male or female. Sex determination depends on which chromosome, XX or XY? XX or XY, right. Sex determination depends on XY chromosome only.
XY chromosome only. So reproductive system and sense organs, total sense organs 5. Eye, nose, skin, ear and tongue. So largest organ in human body. So largest organ in human body, skin. So eye diseases, example night blindness, color blindness, eye disease, but it is a genetical disease. Night blindness, next to myopia, hypermetropia, glaucoma, trachoma, cataract. So these are eye diseases. Next to skin diseases. In skin, 2 layers are present, epidermis and endodermis. In skeleton system, so total bones, next to muscle, types of muscles, joints, types of joints, and so bone diseases, muscle diseases, joint diseases. For example, arthritis disease is related to option A bones, option B joints, option C muscle, option D none of the above. Right, arthritis disease it is related to the joints. And next second one in plant world, so second one primary parts, root, stem, leaf, flowers, largest flower, smallest flower. Next microorganisms. In this microorganisms, useful microorganism, harmful microorganism. So harmful microorganisms causes diseases. So diseases like viral disease, example. So viral disease example chickenpox, smallpox, HIV, cold, COVID-19, that is called coronavirus. And next bacterial diseases, typhoid, anthrax, leprosy, tuberculosis, etc. Protozoa diseases, so protozoa diseases malaria, amoebiasis, or it is called amoebic dysentery, Kala Azar, etc. So helminths diseases, so total diseases, so microorganisms, that is harmful microorganisms. This nutrition topic, so micro and macronutrients. In this micronutrients. So micronutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fats. So nutrients are classified into 3 types. First one giving energy nutrients, next bodybuilders or bodybuilding, and next protective. So energy nutrients are carbohydrate and fats. Energy nutrients are so carbohydrate and fats. So bodybuilding or muscle development. So bodybuilding nutrients example protein. So protective nutrients example vitamins and minerals. So carbohydrate, protein, fats, these are called macronutrients. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. What is the function of carbohydrates? Protein, fats. So carbohydrates are easily digestion is occur and to release instant energy. Proteins it is called bodybuilders. Next to fats to release highest energy. Instant energy, carbohydrates. Fats to release highest energy levels, that is 9.45 kilocalories. So 9.45 kilocalories energy. Next in this cell biology. So cell cell organelles and functions. Next to chromosomes, nucleus. So this is a cell biology. Cell organelle, for example, cell organelle like mitochondria. So what is the function of mitochondria? So respiration. But chloroplast, cell organelle chloroplast. So what is the function of chloroplast? Photosynthesis process. Ribosomes. So ribosomes, protein synthesis. Ribosomes, protein synthesis. And nucleus. So nucleus, reproduction. It is called cell brain. Nucleus, cell brain. So cell wall, plasma membrane, next cell organelles. So total in cell biology. So this is one and paper 2. Both Telangana and AP. So both TET syllabus and science same syllabus, but CTET, in CTET paper 1 and paper 2, in CTET paper 1 only lower standard, the total, so that is called EVS, environmental studies. This environmental studies, so social science, so both in science, physics, chemistry, biology. Social studies, history, geography. So next paper 2, in CTET paper 2, so systems like animal, plant, microorganism, nutrition. So nutrition, so CTET paper 1 and paper 2, in animal world subtopics systems are present. Nutrition, micro and macronutrients, cell biology, next microorganisms, useful microorganism, harmful microorganism, diseases. So this is a syllabus paper 1 and paper 2, CTET and AP and Telangana. Okay, thank you.